Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about an asteroid that will pass through our solar system in 2038. Now, asteroids always fascinate us, and each time it passes close to Earth, everybody becomes a keen observer. Today, we will be talking about Asteroid 2038 AG1. Could it be a threatening presence for Earth? Is it dangerous for us? Let's discover. Asteroid 2038 AG1 is considered a near-Earth asteroid. In 2038, this asteroid will make a close approach to Earth, of which it will look quite magnificent. Its size is estimated to be around 180 meters, and thus it is quite big. The large asteroids like this need to be tracked cautiously, as in the event of collision, it may cause devastating destruction to Earth. This asteroid is set to make a close approach in 2038, but so far, nothing proves it will hit Earth. Asteroid 2038 AG1 moves in an orbit that brings it inside the inner parts of our solar system, close to Earth. It passes by the Sun, and even its gravitational pull can distort its path to Earth. However, according to today's calculations, its path doesn't appear to pose an immediate threat against Earth. Its movement is a bit unpredictable, so scientists are following this close. If his path changes even slightly, then it may bring it closer to Earth than expected. Looking at the size of this asteroid, it is not small. A 180-meter asteroid entering Earth's atmosphere might cause considerable destruction. However, according to data now available, there is no sign that it will hit Earth. The path it is following is not dangerous to Earth, at least at present. Indeed, NASA and other space agencies calculated the trajectory of asteroid 2038 AG1 and did not see a considerable threat of impacting our planet. But minor deviations in its orbit may change the consequences, and scientists continue to closely follow its movements. The tracking of asteroids is significant, especially the ones approaching Earth. Space agencies like NASA, European Space Agency (ESA), and more have developed the technologies to track such objects. These agencies are always tracking the movements of NEOs, and, in case of an asteroid threatening Earth, they would have time in hand to prepare. For example, NASA has its Near-Earth Object Program, responsible for discovering and calculating asteroids' orbits. Advanced telescopes and technology make it easier to monitor these objects and predict their future paths. With early detection of asteroids, these space agencies are therefore equipped to handle such a threat. But in case there is a real danger of an asteroid towards the Earth, space agencies have devised ways to mitigate the impact. Some of the strategies are given below. The main strategy is to deflect the asteroid from its path. One can send space probes that could softly push the asteroid out of its course. Here, the technology applied must alter the asteroid's trajectory over time. If the asteroid happens to be extremely large so that deflection cannot take place, impact mitigations come into the picture. In this regard, nuclear explosions and kinetic impactors are adopted for reducing the speed of the asteroid so that it strikes the Earth at a reduced velocity. Long-term proposals for space missions are that astronauts may be sent to space so as to literally push an asteroid off Earth's path. To date, the mission is still in the conceptual stage, but again something that can be considered when the need calls for it. Asteroid 2038 AG1 is not considered to be a threat now, but it does bring to mind the dynamic and even unpredictable nature of the space surrounding Earth. The orbit of this asteroid is now being watched closely, and until now, there is little reason to believe that it would hit Earth. The existence of such objects, though, and their possible approach to Earth underscores the importance of doing research and monitoring. By keeping track of asteroids and knowing their orbits, we get prepared much more to face any threat further down the lane. Such studies on these objects are continuously enhancing our understanding of space and its penetration. ensuring that Earth remains safe for the hazards. If you like this video, just remember to subscribe for more interesting topics. Stay tuned and await more interesting discussions.